Alright, go.
Good afternoon to Manash News every day. Well, as you can see, tonight there seems to be the fire alarm which has gone off again. And for some reason we do not know why, but this happens very often. And as you can speak to some other guests of ours, 1 second please. Yes, ma'am. So what do you have to say about the Manash fire alarm?
I think it's quite boring.
Boring, yes.
Boring,
And what
yeah.
about the weather?
The weather is cold.
So do you think we should get a refund on the money? And that is a wrap, Katie. Speaking for Manash News, this is Charles Reporter with cameraman Katie.